Hi everyone, I just got this in the mail and I'm so excited to share with you guys. Check it out. It's some cute beads to make bracelets and there's so many. So let me show you guys what they look like. There's some evil eye beads in there, but there's some other ones as well to mix and match it with. So check this out. I absolutely adored this one. It's full of little different charms. So you can make best friend bracelets, bracelets for yourself, for your mom, for anyone you want. And they can all have different things, but they always have the eye in the middle embedded in some way. And I think it is gorgeous. Check this one out. Definitely one of my favorites so far. And there's so many different ones. But apart from the charms, you also get other beads as well. And of course, the eyes. I definitely recommend this. Making bracelets is so much fun and it's an affordable way to have fun with some friends. So check it out. All you're going to need is this pack and a little bit of string, but it definitely covers the entire ground. You get beads to decorate it with, but you also get charms so everyone can pick their favorite and have something different but still representative of the group. I think it is incredible and I'm going to go make bracelets for me and my friends now. Bye guys.